In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a LinkedIn Campaign Manager. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager homepage. Once you're there, it's time to sign into your account. It's important to ensure that you're logging into the correct account that manages the campaigns, particularly if you have access to multiple accounts or profiles. After you've logged in successfully, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account name displayed there. Click on your account name and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Look for and click on the option that says Manage Access. This option will allow you to control who has access to your campaign manager. Once you are in the Manage Access section, you will find a button that says Add User. Click on this button to initiate the process of granting access to someone else. It's crucial to understand that this step allows you to add team members or collaborators to help you manage your advertising efforts. At this point, you have two choices for adding a user. You can either paste the member's LinkedIn public profile URL directly into the designated field, or you can simply type in their name. If you choose to type their name, make sure it's spelled correctly, as LinkedIn will help you find the right profile based on what you enter. After you've entered the user's information, the next step is to select the appropriate access level. From the drop-down menu that appears, you need to find and select the Campaign Manager option. This designation will ensure that the person you're adding has the necessary permissions to manage campaigns. Once you've selected the Campaign Manager option, simply click the Add button to complete the process. At this stage, you'll see a confirmation that indicates that the user has been successfully added to the account. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it's always good to double-check that the user has received access by asking them to log in and verify. And there you have it. You've successfully given access to a LinkedIn Campaign Manager. This feature is incredibly useful for collaborating with team members, allowing for a more efficient and effective advertising strategy. Should you ever need to manage access further or remove someone, you can always return to the Manage Access section and make the necessary adjustments. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide helps you navigate the LinkedIn Campaign Manager with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one in the future. Your support helps us create better content for you. Happy advertising!